bothered. I was coming here all the time. It was great because I could run out in the water. I guess we're back with Bowdy. So again, remember, forming an off-leash dynamic. I'll tell you what it, oh, you precious little angel. I'll tell you what it involves, a lot of this.
A whole lot of this.
Because I'm going to tell you right now, if you don't think that if I brought another dog down here and it struck out like that, that he wouldn't be right behind it, he would. So I've almost got a default in the dog. Oh, you flounce, bouncy little boxer.
Flouncy, flouncy.
So I want to add my voice and the pager. Oh, you precious flouncy, bouncy boxer. I've never corrected him for jumping up. He's taken it upon himself. Bowdy. Yay. Oh, how I love my little flouncy bouncy. All right, I'm going to pick him up with the pager. Bowdy. Literally. Gretchen's like, I don't want him picked up. All right, now watch. Oh, shoot. Oh, he's doing it. Absolutely perfect. So we're just going to let him run around a little bit. You know, and I mean, you guys know I'm all about that. Preserving free agency. Act like you don't like me anymore, like you're getting ready to do. Watch. You feel he's like, wait for it. Bowdy! And again, that was it. It was not said. I saw the most horrifying video of this guy calling these dogs and then hitting them with continuous, making them sit when they got there. I'll tell you what's good. That's going to be cool when they get this done by the fall, probably. And we can come down here and see manatees. It will be great. Make sure I get that sign.
Might as well, let's just put it up.
Again, you guys, but I want you to know the way I walk around is with my finger on the button. And I am always sort of having that. Like you can probably go pretty fast once you got it out there.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't it?
Hauling it. Hauling butt.
Probably all's ass.
No, yeah, for
Look,
sure.
I think that's a wind up in the middle. You probably just
especially when you strap the ropes to your back and just pull it.
Well, yeah, well, no, that's true.
Wires.
Well, we can tie it to the dogs and they can pull us out.
Yeah.
Well, look, that's clearly the wind up for it. You just
yeah. It plays music and everything.
Oh, probably.
That's clearly the wind up. That's funny.
Look, so I'm watching all the time. In this scene, our characters befriend a friendly fisherman, not realizing he's a serial killer.
Yeah, it's all a disguise.
What are you going fishing? What is out there?
I have no idea.
Are you not from around here? Bowdy! Are you not from around here?
No, blue fish, red fish, but today I'm
Well, how do you catch them in the net?
No, rods.
Bait? What do you use it for?
In the net, but I catch a fish with rods.
But where do you go? Like when it's deeper?
Yeah, I'll go all the way back there, mess around.
Bowdy! Alright, we're going to get you launching off. The title of this video is called Gilligan Takes Off in the Minnow.
Oh my God.
What? No!
No, she didn't.
No, he doesn't like it at all. Now, lawsuit. Bowdy!
Yeah, look, here
These
should
guys
come
are
up
on
with
it.
this.
Who are these people? All right, look, now here comes straight out of Central Casting Construction.
Cowboy
Construction
Bill Martin.
foreman saying, okay, where's all the workers?
Cowboy
He's like,
Bill
dude,
Martin.
lunch is over.
Yeah.
We got to work another 15 minutes until our break. They're all like, who are these people? You can see it bending it though. It's watch. Bowdy! You know, and you're gonna have to develop that move, Gretchen. You can't, with the puppy, have a sense of entitlement that they're just gonna do something. I'm conjuring, they'll watch. Bowdy! Yay! My arm is a very specific way. Now watch, this arm's gonna come into play, watch. It's coming into play. You're not doing your line. Watch. And I didn't lose or gain. I'm just going to tell you right now, I didn't lose or gain anything right there. But I'm going to tell you, your job as a dog trainer is not to lose or gain anything. There you go. So, I mean, there are going to be times, though, when that's what happens. You lose or gain nothing. That's not your job, though.